Good morning, everyone. Now this is complete syllabus test of long questions. So please do these answer of these long question in your notebook. And my humble request to all of you, please switch on your camera. First, you write down date, headings, chapter, complete syllabus, UT1 revision test. Then write down first, then question and answer. Jessica and Asta Upadhyay, author, please switch on your camera. Akmal, switch on your camera. Now, okay, Jessica. Asta, Saloni Dhingra, switch on your camera and adjust your camera in this way that I can watch your face and your notebook. So it helped me in invigilation. Please try to understand and adjust your camera this way. Dhavanya, Aditya Bhatia, Rosip, Shavil and Aryan Sharma, please switch on your camera. Otherwise, I will remove you from the meeting or putting you in waiting room. Switch on your camera and then you start your test. First, you switch on your camera. Pulkit Mathur, Priyanshi Dhavanya, switch on your camera. Priyanshi Dhavanya, Aryan Sharma, Rosif, Naitik Arora, Aditya Bhatia, switch on your camera. Now show me your notebook, everyone. Once again, show me your notebook. Thank you, Swastik. Ananya Jain, no, one by one I am calling you. Ananya Jain, show me your notebook. Thank you, Abhika. Arav Sharma. Thank you, Saloni. Thank you, Jessica. Gaurav, show me your notebook. Naitik Arora, Atharv. Jayavardhan, show me your notebook. Ananya Jain, show me your notebook. Thank you, Atharv. Hurry up, beta. Do your test. Okay, now stop writing. Avika, have you done your answer? Question number 1. Okay, now please give me the answer question 1. And everyone please check.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please give me the answer 1.
Okay, ma'am. Many planning is required for the irrigation. Following are the different types of irrigation work. In certain areas, forests were cleared, land was leveled, and in the delta region, embankments were built to prevent flooding. Second, canals were constructed to water the crops artificially, as in many areas, the crops were grown in a year. Third, other requirements for irrigation like wells were dug and tanks were also used. And the fourth was rulers organized labor resources and the laws for sharing of water.
Thank you, Avika. Very good, beta. Now, Srajal, have you done your question number 2?
Ma'am, I have done question number 1. Ma'am, I am doing 2. Ma'am, I have not completed it.
Okay,
Now.
anyone else who had done question number 2? Okay, Swastik. Okay, please wait other 5 minutes for. I will give you 5 minutes for completing your question number 2. Okay. Con- It was the trained to demonstrate their power or resources by building a large temples. Fine. The rulers often invested a lot of the donation in the decoration or maintenance of the temple. So the foreign conqueror made the target first, these temples. The most prominent example of it was the Somnath temple. The temple Somnath in Gujarat was looted for several times by the Sultan Muhammad of Ghazni, who came from the Afghanistan. Much of the wealth was carried away, was used to create a splendid kingdom, or sorry, capital, the city of Ghazni. The next question is, what are the challenges for democracy in India? What are the challenges for democracy in India?